Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this body groomer. So it's IPX6 waterproof. It says wet and dry use. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. Ooh, that's nice looking. That's a nice looking shaver. Battery indicator light, charger. Very nice. I love how sleek that is. So let's check out the accessories that they give you. So looks like we got a double-sided clipper in here. Let's go ahead and see how easy this works. Oh, that's cool. So the one side is 9 mm and it looks like the other side is 12. So let's see how easy this goes on. So let's see. Oh, just like that. Oh, wow. That was quick and simple. Nice. And you just pop it open to take it off. Well, that's nice. So far, I'm really liking this. You get the charging cable in here. So I like that it's USB because that means you could use this anywhere you want. So you could take a power bank like over here and plug it into the USB port of the power bank. And then you can plug this directly in that. So you could actually take this off grid. You can take it wherever you want. And as you guys can see, it's starting to charge. Pretty awesome. So they have the 9 mm, the 12 mm. You get a 3 mm and a 6 mm. Sweet. Check this out, guys. It actually comes with a charging base, so you don't have to manually plug it in like this. Oh, that's awesome. They give you a cleaning brush as well as a manual. So let's test this out, guys. So what you would do is you would have this in here, I believe. Let's make sure we got it on the right side. So it sets in there, and then this just gets plugged into, the power port. So like this, and now it's charging. So when you're done, you just lift it off, use it, do what you got to do, set it right back down in its charging case so you don't have to fool with it. That's actually pretty cool, guys. I like that. All right, guys, so this is going to be a little tough to try and demonstrate this, with a camera, but I'm going to end up messing up so bad. I'm using my left hand for this, and I'm right-handed. All right, so it's cutting good. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time. Yeah, so it's working good. Yeah, I like it, guys.